Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Gunnaik. Today I need to discuss about some multiple choice question. If you are not subscribed this channel still now, you subscribe this channel and you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. The question is given. Choose the correct option. What is the value of integration of bracketed x dx 1 to 4? Okay. 1 to 4 bracketed x dx. You see, for bracketed x function we can make into different parts as needed. Okay, 1 to I can write here 1 to 2 bracketed x dx plus 2 to 3 bracketed x dx plus 3 to 4 bracketed x dx. Okay, is equal to, you see, you put the lower limit here, you can get 1 dx, 1 to 2 1 dx. Okay, then 2 dx, you put 2 here, lower limit you put 2 to 3 3 dx, 3 to 4 is equal to 1 dx, that is this is 1 dx, that means integration of dx is equal to x, 1 to 2 2 into x, 2 to 3 3 into x, 3 to 4 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. Okay, is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So the correct option is D. Okay, D is the correct option. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given, if 1 plus x, determinant of 1 plus x, x square, x 1 plus x square 1 plus x is equal to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus ex4 plus f x to the 5, then the value of a is, 4 options are given, 0, 2, 1, 3. Okay, that means 1 plus x, x square, x 1 plus x square 1 plus x is equal to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus ex4 plus fx5. Okay, here you put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, you can get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here also put x is equal to 0, both sides you put, you can get a, determinant of this is equal to 1, that means a is equal to 1. So the correct option is C. Pause the video, note it down. You see the third question, the maximum value of cos x in determinant of cos x sin x minus sin x cos x minus 1 is, 4 options are given, 1 2 3 4 3 0. Okay, you see, determinant of this cos x sin x minus sin x cos x minus 1 is equal to, you see, is equal to cos x into cos x minus 1 plus sin x into sin x sin square x. Okay, is equal to cos square x minus cos x plus sin square x, cos square x sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x minus cos x. You know cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos x. You see, maximum value of this, whatever the determinant, maximum value of this. Okay, you see, if you put minus 1 here, the maximum value of cos x is equal to 1, maximum value of minimum value of cos x is equal to -1. We need to maximum of this entire 1 minus cos x. That means we have to put minus in the place of cos x -1. Okay, it's become 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so the correct option is 2. Okay, maximum value of this means 1 minus cos x, its maximum value. So if you will put cos x is equal to -1, you see maximum value of cos x is equal to 1, but we have to put here -1 because of we need the entire maximum value. Okay, minus minus become plus, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the correct option is B. You see the next question, the value of cos inverse cos 3 pi by 2 is pi, pi by 2, pi by 4, 2 pi. Okay, cos inverse cos 3 pi by 2, we can write cos inverse cos 2 pi minus pi by 2, okay, is equal to cos inverse cos 2 pi minus theta, that is cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, so you can write cos pi by 2, 2 pi minus pi by 2, pi by 2, cos inverse will cancel out, we can get pi by 2. So the correct option is pi by 2. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, if 3 5 3 2 4 2 lambda 7 8 determinant of this is a singular matrix, the value of lambda is, 4 options are given, lambda is equal to 2, lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to 4, lambda is equal to 8. Okay, you know what is singular matrix? The square matrix which determinant is 0 is called a singular matrix. So we can equate into 0, 3 5 3 2 4 2 lambda 7 8. Determinant this is equal to 0. You find the determinant, 3 into 4 into 8 32 minus 7 into 14 minus 5 into, okay, 2 into 8 16 minus lambda into 2 2 lambda plus 3 into 2 into 7 14 minus lambda into 2 lambda into 2 is equal to lambda. Okay, again you check, 4 into 8 32, 7 into 2 14, 2 into 8 16, 2 into lambda 2 lambda plus 3 into 2 into 7 14, lambda into 4, lambda into 4 4 lambda. Okay, you see 32 minus 14, 3 into 12 minus 4 8, here 2 minus 1 1, minus 5 into 16 into 5 how much, 80 plus 10 lambda, okay, plus 42 minus minus 12 lambda is equal to 0. 10 lambda minus 12 lambda, that is, this is 54. Okay, 54 minus 80 plus 42 plus 10 lambda minus 12 lambda, that is minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to how much, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 4 9. Okay, 96 minus 80, that is 16. Okay, 16 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, 2 lambda is equal to 16, lambda is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So the correct option is D. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, the value of derivative of log x. This is very simple question, you know, this is a formula, derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So the correct option is D. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, Differentiate sin inverse cos x with respect to x. The value of four options are given: -1, 0, 1, none of the above. You see, derivative of dy dx of sin inverse cos x. Okay, that is dy dx of sin inverse cos x is equal to sin pi by 2 minus x. Okay, that is dy dx of, this is pi by 2 minus x. Sin inverse sin will cancel out. You see, pi by 2 is a constant, so its derivative is equal to 0. Derivative of minus x, that is -1. Okay, so the correct option is -1. A is the correct option. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The point on the curve y is equal to 2x square minus 6x minus 1. That is 2x square minus 6x minus 4. Y is equal to, differentiate, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Is there are four options given: 3 by 2, 17 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 17 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 17 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 17 by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. You can get dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 6. Okay, you see, tangent is parallel to x-axis. That is dy by dx is equal to 0. Since tangent is parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, you see, suppose curve is this is the tangent parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis, that is dy by dx is equal to 0. That means 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 4 is equal to, x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now you find the y coordinate. You put the value of x in the curve. You can get the value of y. You can get the value of y. Okay, that is y is equal to 2 into x square, that is 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, minus 6 into 3 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 into 9 by 4 minus 18 by 2 minus 4 is equal to, you see, 2 here, 9 minus 18 minus 8. Okay, 9 minus 26 by 2 is equal to minus 17 by 2. 9 minus 26, okay, is equal to minus 17 by 2. So the x point is 3 by 2, y is 17 by 2. 3 by 2, 17 by 2, minus 17 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 17 by 2. So the correct option is B. This is the correct option. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The inversible function f is defined as fx is equal to 3x minus 4 by 5. Write f inverse x is. Okay, you consider as f of x as y. Y is equal to 3x minus 4 by 5. Okay, next here you find the value of x. 5y is equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, 5y plus 4 is equal to 3x. 5y plus 4 is equal to by 3 is equal to x. Okay, that means x is equal to 5y plus 4 by 3. 5y plus 4 by 3. Okay, you see here in term of x given, so you have to write 5x plus 4 by 3. So inverse of f inverse x is 5x plus 4 by 3. So the correct option is 5x plus 4 by 3. Here you see 5y plus 4 by 3. We can get x is equal to 5y plus 4 by 3. But here in term of x given, so I can change into x. Okay, 5x plus 4 by 3. Pause the video, note it down. This is your f inverse. Okay, f inverse x is equal to 5x plus 4 by 3. Okay, f inverse x. You see the next question, the value of derivative of sin x. This is a formula, you know, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Okay, this is a formula, so the correct option is cos x. Pause the video, note it down.